Brand new from Makita, this is the 18-volt cordless pressure washer. Look how compact this washer is. It's ideal for washing your car, your boat, kids' toys, outdoor furniture, and the like. It's not a replacement for your big pressure washer, but it's still very handy and it can be used anywhere. It's powered by any 18-volt LXT Makita battery, and that battery is protected in a waterproof housing. And controls-wise, you just point and shoot with a 2-speed select up on top. In mode 1, that'll put out 1.5 litres of water every minute at 0.8 MPa. In mode 2, you get 2.5 litres of water every minute out the pointy end at 2.4 MPa. Now that flow rate and pressure will vary depending on the mains pressure on that input, but you can use this with just a bucket. It's self-priming and has up to 2 meters of draw height. You got 5 adjustments for the angle of attack of the water just by rotating the nozzle, which is super handy. The hose comes with the bare tool, and that hose has got a little filter on it and a clip for the side of your bucket for drawing from portable water sources. If you're using it with the largest 6 amp hour LXT battery, you can expect 35 minutes of continuous runtime on high, 100 minutes on low. It is super handy, compact, and lightweight. And what's great is that those nozzle and extension just clip on and off so you can pack it away when you're done to when you need it next time. It's available now from your local Sydney Tools store in the Makita aisle. And if you've got any questions, you can head over to our website or hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.